In a significant order addressing the dispute over a definition of the Aravalli Hills, the Supreme Court has now directed the state governments to ensure that no illegal mining takes place anywhere in the Aravalli region. The Chief Justice of India has observed that illegal mining has irreversible destructive consequences causing permanent damage to the environment and habitats. Such activities will have far-reaching and serious consequences. The Supreme Court has in fact also directed the Central Empowered Committee, the CEC, and the central government to recommend names for the formation of a high-powered committee of experts and who will be looking at all the questions that have been raised in the Aravalli case. The bench has also asked the amicus curiae and the petitioners to also suggest names for this particular committee. The bench, comprising Chief Justice of India Suryakant, Justice Malabanchi and Justice Vipul Pancholi, have also told the Additional Solicitor General coming in for the centre that we have identified certain areas of serious concerns in the Aravalli region and we need your assistance. Nalini, of course, continues to be with me on this. Nalini, we saw the order that was passed by the former Chief Justice of India, B.R. Gavai-led bench on definition of the Aravallis. It caused a huge uproar, and now this bench is looking at possible review or revision of how the Aravallis are being defined. We are also looking at a high-powered committee of experts that may be created to answer all of these questions. What more are you picking up from the lawyers on this issue?
Well, there are three most important things that have happened before the hearing in the Supreme Court today. Number one, the Supreme Court has extended the stay that was already issued earlier on the original order of the previous Chief Justice, like you pointed out. So that stay is going to stay in place, which means that the centre will not be able to act as per the earlier order of the Chief Justice of India. The second thing that's happened today is that the Supreme Court has asked the Rajasthan government to ensure that there is no mining taking place in the Aravalli region, and this was done after concerns were raised by certain lawyers. And the third thing is that the Supreme Court has stated that they'll be looking into this issue in more detail, and it remains to be seen now what happens on the next date of hearing.
Thank you very much for that, Nalini Sharma. The Supreme Court asking the states to crack down on illegal mining in the Aravallis.